I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about an improvement on an existing product. It's Taylor Resolute. Taylor Resolute has been the leader in the industry for many years. Gives you moisture control, sound control, and bond all in one. Phenomenal product, does a lot of different things, but we've improved it, and now it's Taylor Resolute RT, and the RT stands for rapid turnover. This is critical if you're working in an existing hospital where you may be doing a patient room or an operatory, and you need to be able to get that space occupied very quickly. So by being able to do a rapid turnover, it gives you all of that benefit. Now you've got all of the same benefits as original Taylor Resolute. Unlimited moisture control, high pH resistance, no limit on MVER. Your working time is still 45 minutes, cure time about 6 hours, open time 0. You can go into it immediately. Now we say flash time, but that's really a pre-tack time. That's really only for modular, so it allows it to pre-tack to reduce some of the slippage that might happen. The real definer here is where you go into heavy rolling loads in 6 hours. That's going to be a big factor for an occupied space. Your traffic times are still 3 to 4 hours depending on light or heavy, and you still get your sound control benefits with this product. Now Ray's going to spread the adhesive on an acrylic panel today so we can show you how that adhesive folds in and creates that moisture barrier and sound control membrane underneath your resilient flooring. When our lab developed this product, they wanted to keep all of the same functions and abilities of Resolute that we had in the original Resolute, and they were able to do that and increase or actually reduce the turnover time. And that's a big deal, especially if you're in an occupied space. Now, when you're using Taylor Resolute RT for moisture control, you always want to make certain you get 100% coverage. You don't leave any voids, anything like that. Sometimes you'll get a little scrape like Ray had there, a little spot that you might have a depression or whatever in the substrate. You want to make certain you get 100% coverage. That's how it gives you your moisture control and your sound control. As he sets the planks in place, any remaining trowel ridges will displace, and that will create a film that will give you your moisture control and your sound control all in one. And that's a big benefit. Just like regular or original Resolute, this is an easy cleanup product. So if you get adhesive or anything like that on the finish, you can buff it off later on, clean it up with simple mineral spirits or denatured alcohol. We always recommend putting the lid on between uses so that the adhesive does not skin over. So remember, next time you need moisture control or sound control with a resilient floor, but you also need to turn over that space quickly, think of Taylor Resolute RT. For more information on Taylor Resolute RT or to find a distributor in your area, please go to tayloradhesives.com.